Yep, this is Blake Walsh's takeover of the Hateley Motorsport YouTube vlog, whatever you want to call it. Day in life is loving Blake and Kim.
Blake and Kim.
Spent the morning eating fast food, getting fatter.
Had some Red Bull earlier.
Yeah, I tried to drink 2 Red Bulls at once, now I'm sticky.
What a spud.
We're doing a good job if Steve actually finishes a race with his shitbox.
Yep.
And if he doesn't suck.
Looks far.
What are you doing, Steve?
Trying to get organised for racing. We're here at Horsham today. I've got Blake on the camera, so that's never a good sign. I'm really only here to fence Freddie. There's 12 cars. We're going to...
That shitbox?
That shitbox there, it's going to the fence. And that's really it. Bit of a fun day.
All there is to it.
That's all there is to it, really.
Hi Tyler. Hi. Doing a lot as usual?
Yeah. Can't let the driver do too much strenuous work.
Yeah, don't want to strain him. What's happening, Freddie?
Not much, mate. Just getting the gear ready. Bit nervy.
Dropping your shit.
Dropping your shit, yeah.
How come the lead's in the brake foot and not the fucking...
Yeah, Hateley's over there telling me he's going to fence you, so...
Well, he's got to catch me first anyway, so... it's all good. We're having a bit of fun tonight. Just try and finish tonight without wrecking shit, eh, Brett? Got me crew chief on Friday.
Suppose there's a first time for everything, isn't there, Freddie?
Yeah, we'll just see what happens, mate. I've got the K1 suit going on tonight, thanks to BK Titanium.
We got Brett on the Spanish.
Hello.
Who are you?
Bretto.
Tell us what you do.
Spray Blake with shit.
You're a better camera person than my ex-girlfriend.
Who, Tiff?
Yeah.
Ex-girlfriend?
Well, she was my girlfriend once and she's not now.
How do you know?
Because I married her.
What are we doing in here, Steve?
Just getting some GoPros set up.
Got enough shit in there.
Yeah, they're all starting to get a bit shabby. I probably should upgrade. Look at that. Fuck, busting screens. Look at that sucker. Got a real good number on that one.
Probably crashed.
No, I copped a stone, I think.
Yeah, the VX97 last time we had a Hateley GoPro, we fucking flipped.
That was you dipshit.
It's his number now, not mine.
It goes fast, his number now.
Not a chance. What is it, 0 for 4 on finishes? That shut you up, didn't it?
What can I say? There's not much I can fucking say. Words actually come in, Steve. The track actually looks pretty good.
Alright.
The words come in, they've got a special ambulance parked up here just for you later on tonight.
And they've upgraded the catch reins.
Definitely going to need that.
Catch that V60 in action later.
I'm excited
What do you reckon, Tyler? Set up on point or what?
Thumbs up then.
Do you reckon you go good? Or do you reckon there's a grass set?
When there's grass set.
Guess you're going to stay on all fours tonight? Been a while.
Yes. Why? Yes.
We've got proof.
Rough. I was wanting to finish a fucking heat race, mate.
Feed the track, what do you reckon?
I don't know. It's pretty smooth, slippery. Don't know. See what happens. Starting at an outside pole, so...
What do you reckon to set up? Do you reckon Tyler's going to be on the money?
The tyre hasn't been right all year, so we'll see how that goes.
You going to take that shit, Tyler?
No, I'm not. You want to help me change the shocks?
You going to put them on wrong?
Yeah.
Fuck him.
I'll put the front on the back and the back on the front, see what happens.
Yeah. Oh, let's go, Judge Steve.
1A.
your first feed of the night? What do you reckon?
Good chips, should have got gravy, should have got sauce on me hot dog, bit dry now.
What do you reckon of the pie, Brett?
Too hot, too sloppy. Apart from that, delicious.
What do you recommend for me, Tyler?
I don't know, I just had chips and gravy and it's pretty fucking good.
Come back for my second feed by 8 o'clock.
We'll come back for part 2 of Crunch Dog's Canteen Adventures here at Blue Ribbon Raceway. What do you reckon your performance during the second inning, Steve?
Not real crash hot. Not as good as it should have been.
Didn't run last though, so
Nah, didn't run last third. Not as bad.
What are you going to do for feature? Where are you starting?
Send it coming out of third. Starting third, so not too bad.
Are you worried about who's starting in front of you?
Yeah.
Pretty quick, aren't they?
You'll be quick, yeah. Yeah, nah, we'll see what we can make happen. Hopefully do something fucking right.
Cam reckons your performance tonight's been pretty piss poor. What are you going to say to that, Steve?
I don't know, that bloke's performance is pretty piss poor every night because his fucking car's still sitting in his shed at home in a million bits. So.
I think he kicks your ass on iRacing, doesn't he?
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Everyone does that.
Yeah, not hard though.
I'm like, I'm going to try the top. And the thing stuck in the right rear, and I thought, I've got a car here. It took off like a motherfucker.
About halfway through that race,
And I like it.
I didn't have my fucking visor locked right down.
Exactly.
Like I've got a
Hey.
fucking massive chunk of
Thanks for
that
the
in the back of his
injector,
throat.
That was good racing.
Fuck, I went there a couple of times.
No, it was good. It was good to watch.
I was glad to roll it back in off the track, and she's ready to go.
Yeah. We don't mean.
I had to fucking pass you. I had to fucking do it.
fucking went round the top of me like I was standing still.
Yeah, didn't he? We ran all of us.
Hey, you know,
He'd wind up, Stephen.
Fucking shit house.
Why?
Couple of reasons. Tyler fucked the setup again.
I didn't have nothing to do with this one.
So when are we going to start blaming the driver? Because it seems to be a fucking regular occurrence.
I don't know, the fair bit of that was the driver.